The ship docks in Zante, and here is a shopping area which is the only place where you don't pay VAT on the island. And from here you can get your buses and go out on your tours for the day. If there are lots of ships in, you may dock in the container port, but the shuttle bus will bring you here. And the Tourism Authority is up the end here. There are no public buses to take you to the beaches. You have to get a taxi, and that's official from the tourist office. The island is bound by official prices to every beach and every site, and you can get the list for that from the Tourist Authority. A cheaper way to get to the beach may be a shared taxi. Then you can pay as little as $4 there, $4 back per person, but you have to wait for the taxi to fill up. Don't ignore these guys, sometimes they are beating the government price. A lot of people will just stay in the square. There's shopping, you can eat, drink here and chat to the lovely people of St Kitts. We came with Debbie. She dropped us off at Carambola Beach Club, which is just along from Friars Bay, and we only paid $5 a person, which was a good deal. You can stay at Carambola, rent a chair and have a jet ski. The sea is really clear right by the club, and that's the shack we're aiming for, right down there. About 5 minutes along is the Discovery Bar, and you have to wash your feet before you go in. You can eat lobster, shrimps, burgers and sample local beers and have a rum punch. The further away from the more expensive beach club, the less golden and the more volcanic the sand gets, but the more fun it gets. This is Shipwreck Beach Club. So that is shark steak, and this is cheese and black bean nacho, and this is a great shack. Great rum punch. If you want to come to an authentic Caribbean shack, ask the taxi driver for Shipwreck, which is just along from Friars Bay, and we only paid $5 a person, which was a good deal. Relaxing in any one of the lounges with a good novel will make you wish you'd booked a longer cruise.